Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on notification for upcoming tutorials. So this kind of question is like a setup, though it's easy and straightforward to solve. But if K is not taken, you can easily miss this kind of expression. So whenever you see this kind of question, what should firstly come to your mind to be BODMAS? That is, you need to apply the rules of what BODMAS. So let me try and write that out. So we have BODMAS. So and B represent what? The bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and what? Subtraction. So we have BODMAS. So B represents brackets, O represents off, D represents division, M represents multiplication, A represents addition, and S represents subtraction. So the secret behind this kind of question is that you need to follow this one after the other as you have them in your question. If you don't follow this order, you won't definitely get the answer correct. You won't definitely get it correct. So you need to follow this rule of BODMAS for you to be able to solve this question and get it correctly. So let me remove this so that we can easily solve the question. So we have two whole number 5 divided by 12 minus 1 whole number 7 divided by 8 multiplied by 6 divided by 5. So let me start from my left hand side. This is mixed fraction. I want to convert this to improper fraction. So 12 multiplied by 2, this will give me what? 24. So 12 multiplied by 2, it will give me 24. So plus 5, that will give me 29. So divide by 12. So we are able to convert our mixed fraction to what? To improper fraction. So 8 multiplied by 1 will give me 9 plus 7. 8 multiplied by 1 will give me 8, sorry, plus 7 will give me 15. Divide by what? Divide by 8. Multiply by 6. Divide by what? 5. Now, if you now go ahead and start subtracting this from this, you definitely won't get the answer. So you must firstly multiply this with this, then subtract it from this. So by doing this, I have 29 divided by 12 minus, so let's multiply this together. 8 times 5 will give me 40. 6 times 5, 30. Write 0. Carry 3. 6 times 1, 6. Then 90 divided by 40. So I can easily cancel some things out if you like. So you can say you have this 0, cancel this 0 like this. So we are left with what? We are left with 29 divided by 12 minus 9 divided by 4. So let's take our LCM. Let's say our LCM is 12. So 12 in 12 is 1 multiplied by 29 minus 4 in 12 is 3. 3 times 9, that will give us what? 27. So this will simply give us 2 divided by what? 12. So 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So our final answer is what? 1 divided by 6. So those are the steps to follow if you want to solve any question related to BODMAS. So thank you for watching this video. Please kindly click on subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on notification icon to turn on notification for upcoming tutorial. Thank you.